Welcome to my visual tour. For more details on this property or to schedule an appointment to personally preview, be sure to contact the realtor today. Enjoy this great floor plan featuring 3 bedrooms and 2 baths split plan, plus vaulted cathedral ceilings, dining room with bay window, open living room great room style, kitchen with eat-in breakfast nook area. Master features double vanity and walk-in closet, ceramic tile in all wet areas and carpet throughout. Just what every Florida home needs is an inside laundry room with washer and dryer included. Take in the views from the large screen enclosed lanai area which overlooks a big backyard and all located on a nice quiet street with a large 2-car garage. Owner states new AC and roof in 2015, hot water heater 2018, new dishwasher 2014. Enjoy low utility costs with an average city water bill of only $9. Septic pumped every 2 to 3 years and owner has certification. Electric bill averages $75 to $125 a month. Close to shopping and restaurants and quick commute to Tampa Airport and beaches.